Here's a 2018 Ford Escape Titanium. Only 33,000 miles, 200 with a clean Carfax in silver. Top of the line Escape Titanium here. Really good shape. We've completely went over it. We'll just kind of go around the car quickly here and show you some of the highlights that you get with the vehicle, as well as some of the things that we did with it in the shop. You can see there we got the high intensity headlamps with the LED markers. You also can see the little round circles in the front bumper. It does have the park assist, 360 on the front and the rear. Let's come around to the side. Upgraded multi-spoke alloy wheel, 3/4 tread or better on the tires. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of the inspection in the glove box of all of our cars. Peek through the passenger side front seat. See full power seat. Dark ebony leather seating with offset white stitching. 2 bucket seats with a floor shifter automatic in between. Otherwise gray on gray interior, as you can see. See, we do have the books. Pulling out the check sheet that I spoke of. See, tires are all like new, brand new. 12. We got 11 on the fronts, 10 on the backs, and 90% on the tires. Looks like we might put brand new front brake pads on as well in the rear, potentially also. Now, it is a compact SUV, but you can see there's very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there. Also, the center console does give you a power supply and flow-through air vents. Help keep the rear occupants comfortable and connected. All the tires do match. See, titanium EcoBoost all-wheel drive Escape badging. Does have the backup camera there. Like I say, the sensors on the front and the rear. Power liftgate. Touch of a button will pull that up for you. You can see 40/60 fold down on the rear seat. Underneath, we do have your oil filter and all your tools for in case of an emergency. 12-volt power supply back here as well. Button for the power liftgate is here. To the other side again. All the tires match. Wheels are in good shape. It's a very clean interior. No rips, tears, or stains. Stick my nose inside. It smells pretty good. No odors. Seems as though the previous owner was a non-smoker. All Fords give you the combo entry exit, allow you to leave the vehicle running with the proximity key inside. Also has the black touchpad. Just will lock and unlock the doors with the touch of a button. Full power seat on the driver's side as well. It is equipped with memory seating, programmable to 3 different settings. Also your locks, your windows, and your mirrors are there as well. We do promise 2 sets of keys. I got one here with me now. You can see not only does it have a button for your power liftgate and panic and keyless entry, it also is equipped with factory remote start. Let's go ahead and hop in. See, only 33,243 original miles. We always keep a copy of the Carfax on the dash. No accidents or damage, 2 owners. Looks good. Also got a button for the power liftgate again inside. A button for the fog lights. Automatic headlamp controls and dimmer for the interior. Has your lane departure here on the outside, as well as high beams and turn signals. To the right is your intermittent wiper washers with your rear controls on the tip. Control pad here for your center display. You can see how we can toggle through different items. We also can go through different menus. So everything, as you can see there, programmable. Makes it nice. See all the different options that are included within. There you go. And then we also got, again, radar cruise, forward collision. You can set your distances here. So it is a radar cruise setup, and your sync and volume controls and hands-free is all on the right. It does have a big touch screen. You can see right now it's displaying the factory navigation system. So we hit the home button. You also can see that it does have AM, FM, and satellite radio. Of course, the ability to pair your phone. Again, there is your big nav. You do have your apps and your radio settings. Looks like we have a single CD up top. Hazards and analog controls right there. Climate control, dual climate control, as you can see. Also has heated seats on the driver and the passenger side. Over here we also got a heated steering wheel, so it is loaded up. Ability to turn off your auto stop, your park sensors. It does have the park assist. Essentially, that just means that you can press the gas and the brake and the car will parallel park you. It has the ability to shut off the traction control system as well. We do have a toggle here on the side so you can select any of the gears in sport mode. It does have electronic parking brake. In here, a nice deep well with another USB and power supply. It does have auto dim on your rear view. It does have illuminated visors on the passenger, and we also got the home link in the visor with illuminated visors there as well. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath. Hood releases right there. EcoBoost is going to be an inline 4-cylinder engine, turbocharged. There you can see 2.0 liter EcoBoost engine, quiet and clean, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the electrical contacts. Looks like a brand new one under the hood. Shut the car off here. Get into the last portion of the video just to recap. We had about brand new tires all the way around, practically brand new brakes all the way around as well. The last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Just walk the vehicle here, show you any minor imperfections. Little stone chip there on the door. Couple little chips on the fascia. But all in all, it's a very clean vehicle. Couple little scuffs down there on the painted portion of the rear bumper fascia. No dents or dings that I can see. Roof line looks good. Take a look down the passenger side. See no dings or dents. Cladding's not scuffed. Couple little chips here on the fender. Saw another one. There it is. Scuff on the corner. A little bit of bug damage on the lower portion of the front bumper fascia. I'll quickly pan across, but nothing out of the ordinary. Hood's pretty chip free as well. Excellent, like new alternative, guys. They'll still have the remainder of the powertrain warranty transferable from Ford to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence if you're interested. A few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.